In this video, we will walk you through the process of how to export EBU STL files, which are standard for European broadcast. Let's start off by opening your project in Closed Caption Creator. Verify that your captions meet EBU standards. Then, once you're ready, navigate to the Export button. Then click Subtitle File. Choose your desired event group. Next, under File Extension, select STL as the export format. EBU STL and Spruce STL will now be visible under Profile. Select your desired option. Choose your general options and encoding options based on your preferences. Lastly, click Export to generate your STL file. You have now successfully exported EBU STL files for European broadcast. If you found this video helpful and would like to learn more, visit our website at www.closedcaptioncreator.com.